everyone, welcome to Sam and Feng Cooking. In this video, I'll show you how to make a classic French dessert, cherry clafoutis. To get started, pit 2 cups of cherries with a cherry pitter or cut in half to get the pit out if you don't have one. Add 4 eggs to a bowl and whisk. Then add 1 cup of milk, half a cup of sugar, half a tablespoon of vanilla, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and half a teaspoon of salt. Whisk again. Now sift in a 3/4 cup of flour and whisk to combine. If you have any lumps, blend the batter with a hand blender. You can also add all the ingredients into a blender from the beginning. Pour the batter into a 9-inch baking dish and sprinkle the cherries on top. They all float to the top even after baking. Now bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 to 45 minutes or until the custard is set. Take out the clafoutis from the oven and let cool for 10 minutes before cutting into it. It will be puffed up at first, then it will deflate. Top clafoutis with icing sugar and serve in slices, warm or cold. And that's it! I love all custard desserts and this one does not disappoint. It's so creamy and decadent with the perfect amount of sweetness from the sugar and tartness from the cherries. It's hard to resist not eating the whole thing in one sitting. Let us know in the comments below if you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching. Bye!
Like and subscribe, please.